In the Google Home app, we can also customize a variety of lighting scenarios and personalize them according to our preferences. Just a reminder, a scenario is distinct from a group because in a group, we simply control all the lights included in it synchronously, whereas in a scenario, we have the ability to set specific settings for each light and easily return to them with a single voice command or a tap on the application screen. So, in order to create a scenario, there are multiple options on how to accomplish this task. The app already suggests that we may want to create a scenario, and at the top, it displays Setup Home Away Routines. However, it is also possible to achieve this by accessing the Settings menu and selecting the option for Google Assistant. This provides an alternative method for performing the same action, offering users flexibility in how they interact with the assistant. To proceed, you must now select and click on the option titled Manage all assistant settings from the list of available settings. And in the search bar, we type in the keyword routines to initiate the search and retrieve relevant results from the database. We are adding a new scenario. In this step, we have the option to choose the user who will utilize the scenario. Only we or members of our family who are authorized can access our smart home. In addition, we have the option to determine what will initiate our scenario. Similar to the Smart Life app, we can choose a specific time or a time of day, such as sunrise, to trigger the scenario and make it start automatically. However, we will utilize a voice activator, indicating that we will activate it by voice, so we need to choose a voice command. Now, let's enter the voice command that we would like to use to activate the scenario. Let's create a scenario for relaxation. Introduce the term activator. It is possible to include multiple occurrences of the term activator in the given text. At this particular moment, we proceed to set the configuration that we would like to apply when this specific scenario is activated and comes into effect. Let us establish it in the following manner. Given that our scenario is focused on relaxation, let's proceed to decrease the brightness once again, and subsequently, the light positioned in the middle will be turned off. Please select the Adjust Home Devices option from the menu and proceed to configure the settings for our light fixtures according to your preferences and requirements. Make sure to save the changes once you are done with the configuration process. This light fixture will be turned off. The remaining two will be switched on, utilizing a low brightness setting to emit a gentle and comforting warm glow in a color that creates a cozy ambiance. After all the necessary scenario settings are configured, press Save. When we enter the application, we immediately notice that our scenario has appeared on the screen. Now, let us try to activate it by saying the phrase, "Okay, Google, let's get some rest and relax. Let's give it a go and see if it responds. Maybe it can help us unwind and find some peace." "Okay, Google, let's take a break and recharge. Let's see if it understands our request and assists us accordingly." We can see that our scenario has worked. This way, we can create different scenarios for different situations.